DJN TV.
Kasala don burst as Sunday Adeyemo don order all Nama people to comot for Ibarapa area for Oyo State. My sabi person, I greet you. I welcome you specially to this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, where we dey give una the correct gist and the current happenings wey dey for our country as the news dem dey break. Wahala don burst for Oyo State for Ibarapa area, where one Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, don come outside cut us say make Nama people dem make dem pack their property comot for the bush for the area, sake of say dem dey cause problem for the people. When they interview Sunday Igboho, he disclose say if the certain government wey dey for power no wan provide security for the people wey elect dem into power, then the people themselves dey go rise up to take power for themselves. He tok this, say he no come up with a decision to say make Nama people comot for a town without any reason. He tok say for some time ago, e get one doctor wey dey call Dr. Fatia, wey be Yoruba man. He travel abroad for many years, come back with plenty educational qualification and things dem wey he say he wan do. So when he come use the papa land to establish a big farm for Iganga, and na for that farm settlement dem he plant different crops, and he employ plenty people put for there wey dey work for am. He got us say this Nama people they come carry their cow enter the place. Their cow they come chop the crops they waiting for this farmland. So the Dr. Fatia come go discuss with the Seriki of the Fulani people for there, sake of say see wetin happen. Oga Sunday cut us say Dr. Fatia at the time they call do some kind things to her for there, and from there the guy got a leg over, go join people for the other side. He cut us say this Nama people they do plenty jigbiti under the guise of say that they carry cow there, they waka like they go they catch people, they don't say make they bring money, cause sometimes say they feel make people their leg over go join the other side. He say this thing they call they make her the verse, sake of say although you get people waiting around that way go feel facilitate the security. He say but not be everybody get that privilege. Say this na the main reason why he can go meet the Seriki of Fulani to discuss the issue when they happen for Ibarapa, and then can note say the thing not just sweeter for belle at all. But he could say as they follow the leader there they talk, now one of the boys for there call point something for a head for they call bring a knife, bring a different sharp object them. He say one of them said they call one put granite for a body. Say now they got to collect the thing, the weapon for a hand. Cut it. Say he not come to fight, so say na peace matter. Now make a call. How they go do am? Now make a carry a leg go the place. He cut us say, but not be small thing. If not be say he hold the side self, therefore still give a leg over. He tok say if they don't want find solution to the end of all these jigbiti things where they happen for the area, sake of say where they cause insecurity, may they prepare their mind to come up for the land, sake of say the land not be their own. He say this will not be a matter of whether tribe or religion war. So this na fight for peace to reign for the land when in dey. And since when he give this vacation order there, we not see forget say the governor of Ondo State doctor say make this Nama people make they carry their wahala come up for government reserve forest. If they not say they want they carry their animal the waka, make they come register with the government so that government go know the people wey dey for there. So since when the Oga Sunday give this vacation order, many people don't come outside talk, many things don't happen. It was when the time when he gives him a commodore pass, he call go there, go see the level of compliance with the order. Now for there, now to call here the news say they burn some of the people their property. Say most of the youth of the area are the vest. They burn the Sariki Fulani property, house and so kind Nama they waiting for them. And then ever since when this issue come outside, the federal and state government don't order say make they arrest this Oga Sunday and make they transfer to Abuja for persecution. It also if they arrest them, say e go make dis thing dey stop. And some pipo come out and talk say make we look dis thing critically, say na dis kind thing na first start dey happen for north east o, wey government no gree give at ten tion to, na im come lead to all dis boko boys wey dey the area wey don come turn to national security problem now o. Say when dis whole thing first start, na small small thing take start. Say the one guy wey dey call Mohammed Yusuf na start the whole thing for Maiduguri, come dey lead the thing small small. Government come dey use the thing, dey use small pikin hand dey follow dem, dey use small pikin hand dey follow dem, dey use small pikin hand dey follow the whole thing. Before we know, wahala don burst, the thing don come to full blown security threat to the nation. The governor of Oyo State, Seyi Makinde, don come outside talk say he no go allow anybody to hide under the guy say we dey protect Yoruba interest to come cause ethnic kasala for the state. He say for his administration, security na be the most important thing for am, and say he also know say all the good economic plan the way they get, e no go well, no go dey possible if jigbiti dey for the land. And the Fulani leaders for the state, they don come outside talk say since all they pursue dem comot, so they don't get anywhere where they go, they no get where they wan go. Say this na misunderstanding wey go soon end. Say they just use the bad eye wey all this bad nama people they give the whole Fulani people for the country. They give them bad name, they look them. And say not all of them, they do the bad things there. Then he call on people, make they call help am, make they go beg Oga Sunday Igboho, say because you know say this thing are just small misunderstanding, and they sure say they go fit resolve the whole thing. He thought say police don dey on ground sha to maintain peace and order. Say but abeg make they still help talk to Oga Sunday. The Aniferewa Renewal Group, wey be one Yoruba socio-cultural group, don come outside come talk. They don condemn wetin Oga Sunday dey do. Say the quick notice when he give the Fulani people wey dey stay for Oyo State, say no good. One Oga Yinka Odumakin, wey be their talk person for the group, to say Oga Sunday no get right to give such order. He say true the kind thing wey dey happen for Oyo State, e no dey sweet person for belle. Say but that one not mean say na Oga Sunday na go call dey give order wetin go happen. Say he no fit do anything when he just want, say because the state not be own, and by the way na just citizen of the state. The guy come further talk say na only Governor Seyi Makinde na go fit give that kind order. He come tell Oga Sunday say make he match break, make he dey patient, make he calm down. Say because the constitution no give am power to evict another person comot for the state, say cause say him na just ordinary citizen. One Yoruba journalist, veteran journalist Babajide Kolade, don come outside talk say yes o, say although wetin Oga Sunday dey fight na just cause, so say but him dey do am illegally. He say yes, why he talk like that be say Oga Sunday no get right under the law to evict anybody comot from any part of the country. He say but he wan just say these issues of arrest na just distraction. So when they not just call for the guy arrest, say because for government to say they wan arrest the guy mean say e get another thing wey they want make it happen for the country. Say make everybody just take it easy. He say as he don talk before, say Governor Seyi Makinde make him show leadership quality for this thing, for this matter, say go cut on to another thing. Although after the order of eviction wey Oga Sunday give, he talk say Governor Makinde supposed to don go the area by now, go talk to the people, go there as the governor of the state, go see wetin dey happen on ground, first hand information, not the one they tell am. He go there, go see the matter by himself, then he go come know how they go take resolve the whole issue. Say but the government never do anything in addressing this issue until Oga Sunday call lead the people go the town. Say now Oga Sunday don do the dey in mind now. Then they talk say make they arrest Oga Sunday. Say that kind of thing, it not just make sense at all. Say because say now this Aniferewa people now they say make they arrest Oga Sunday. They say the thing go turn to another thing for the state. Say so make them not arrest her. Say but more will not use Oga Sunday approach to shy away from the responsibility of dealing with this SME or whatever we call them. He say many things dey on ground. Say the governor he get part to play. Say the federal government say still get part to play. Well, for me, all this matter where they happen, SME here and there, LGBT here and there, I say it don't reach time where government will call these people to order. Because it be like say as with the year and it be like say the government they favor some people over some people. Now this guy that say when I come up for our town, when they give us problem, government don come outside come talk say make dem arrest her, carry am go Abuja go persecute am sake of say e dey fight say why dem go dey treat the people anyhow, why one set of people go leave their side come other people land come dey come fight the people dem. And you remember say we for this side wey be the southerners, the easterners, the westerners, we no fit go north now go begin dey do all these kind things dem wey dey. You no fit even do some kind things wey their people dey even do for here sef. Wetin dem dey even dey do for here, we no fit even do half for them before dem go just even turn it into another thing. Anyway abeg make we call on Oga Bubu make e look into this issue critically, as e dey very critical to our existence as a nation. And na here we'll take on to the end of our news today for DJM TV Daily News Update. Abeg, in case you never like the video, don't forget to like and don't forget to put your comment down for the comment section. We sef go dey wait to read your comment dem. Well, me wey dey read this news give you so, my name sef na Lawuro Favour.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.